In this tutorial, we'll cover how to get started using the Mastermind Genomic Intelligence platform. Here in the homepage, we have the Login tab in the top right corner where you can sign up, log in, or reset your password as needed. If you're signing up as a new user, you'll get a welcome email with instructions on how to log in for the first time, and you'll automatically start with an introductory period of the professional edition of Mastermind. Once your intro period is over, you'll have access to the basic edition. Check out our video on Pro features to learn what you can do with Pro and how to get the most out of the intro period. Let's cover each of the items in the menu bar. Starting from the far right, we have the bell icon, where you'll find your notifications. These will include things like announcements for new features, updates to our curated content, webinars, and more. Under Help, you can find quick links to training materials and the FAQs along with information on how to cite Mastermind. Once you're logged in, the Login tab becomes My Account. Here you can access your alerts and reports, edit your account details, see your subscription type, and log out of the application. Mastermind Alerts are a notification system to keep you up to date on new publications mentioning genes, variants, or diseases that you're interested in. Mastermind is updated every week, so new papers are continuously being added to our database. Basic users can set up to 5 alerts at a time, and Pro users can set unlimited alerts. You can read about how the alerts work and click My Alerts to view your existing alerts and create new ones. The user interface we're in now is great for launching individual searches and diving into articles, but we also license programmatic access to the data via an API to support automated workflows and pipeline integrations. You can learn more about the different endpoints and test out the demo page by clicking here, or get in touch with one of our sales specialists. When you have questions or feedback as you're using Mastermind, it's really easy to get in touch with our team using the Contact Us button. A window will pop up within the application for you to type in your question or message to us. It's a great idea to include your URL in the message so that our team can see your exact query and assist you right away. Your feedback is important, so we encourage you to use the Contact Us button to send us your questions, comments, and ideas. Now that you have a lay of the land, it's time to start searching. Start typing your query directly into the search bar or try clicking one of the example queries below. Check out our Launching a Search video next for a quick walkthrough on different search strategies and browse our entire library of search example video tutorials on our website. As always, the Mastermind team is here to help. Use the Contact Us button or email us at support@genomenon.com with any questions.